Hey entrepreneur, so you want to make more money? Well, let's talk about how you can do that right now. The easiest way to make more money, and the most important thing that you should focus on, is your cash flows. So let's forget about the traditional way of doing accounting for businesses. We're talking about the income statements and balance sheets, which are important when it comes to tax time. But the most important thing for you right now to run your business and make it more profitable are your cash flow statements. So there's three things that you need to do. But first of all, why is it important to have a cash flow statement? Because it actually measures the amount of cash that's coming into your bank account and the amount of cash that's leaving. All the other stuff that's on an income statement and balance sheet, that's all, I'd like to say some of it's fluff, but it's not important, because what you really care about is how much money do you have at the end of the day to take home, which are your profits, which is profits in cash, not on paper, but what's sitting in your bank account. That's what we call cash flows. So when it comes to cash flows, there's three things to focus on. The first one is to make sure that you actually do cash flow accounting, and make sure that you're doing it or checking it at least twice a month. So every 2 weeks, you should be sitting down to say, where exactly are you with the cash that's come into your business, and how much cash do you have left in your bank accounts to pay for your expenses. If you do that twice a month, you're on a roll. The second piece is to make sure that you take your revenues first. What ends up happening with most entrepreneurs is that they make a bunch of revenue, then they pay their expenses, and then they wonder why they don't have any money left over to take home. And that's because they're overspending in their business. You want to make sure that you extract the profits, because it forces you to minimize your expenses, which is the third part when it comes to cash flows, is make sure that you're making smart decisions when it comes to where you're spending your money. So if you do those three things, you're ahead of the game, because 95% of businesses don't manage their cash flows effectively. Now, if you're looking for more tips, I am going to be sharing more as we go forward over the next couple weeks. But an easy way to take a look and make sure that your business is maximizing your profits is by downloading my 12-point profit maximizer checklist. It's an easy checklist for you to follow to make sure that you're maximizing the opportunity for you to make as many or as much profit in your business as you can. So hopefully this helps. Take care and have an awesome day.